Howdy y'all, it's Trenton with Hallsguide Diecast News. I have a new case unboxing. This is the 2020 Hot Wheels N case. We had a dry spell for a while, then the M case arrived about 2 weeks ago. Now we've got the N case, so we're going to open this one up and find out what's inside. Alright, in case, here we go. Right off the bat, we've got a new model. This is the 96 Chevy Impala Ss. New model. This was a pretty popular car back in the 90s. Often used as a police car or some version of this, but the SS was the high performance version of this sedan. And there's a 52 Hudson Hornet in purple. And the Geoterra in yellow. Here's the Rip Rod in chrome and blue. And a red 19 Ford Ranger Raptor in red. Alright, and then we have the green 73 Ford Falcon XB with yellow flames. Dodge Charger Drift from the Hot Wheels Rescue series in blue. And here's a new color on the Quick Bite. This time it's in white with a blue interior and ice cream graphics, and it's from the Art Cars series. And a new color on the Jaguar Xesv Project 8. This is almost a silver. It's almost like a metal flake gray, not quite silver. Maybe it is silver. It's hard to tell. And the 65 Ford Galaxy, which is new to the main lines. We did see it in the M case. It returns this to us again in the N case. And the Roger Dodger from the Art Cars series in silver with gold and black steampunk graphics. And we got a new color on the 19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. This time it's black with a white stripe, red lettering on the side. And a 17 Lamborghini Urus in yellow. And we get another. And that was a new model that first appeared in the M case. And here we have the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko in silver. This is a new model from the Exotic series. One of the fastest production cars ever made. If not, the fastest production car ever made. I think there's some debate over that. Nonetheless, it's now a Hot Wheels. And it is sweet. We have the Surf and Turf. And a new color on the Honda S2000. This is a really popular model with collectors. And this time we see it in green. Roller Toaster, this time in purple. Still waiting on my burnt toast variation. Come on, designers. Designers over at Mattel, make it happen. I'm looking for the burnt toast variation. Waiting to see it. Just like you see on the card art. Roller Toaster, give us a thumbs up if you want to see the burnt toast variation. Geoterra in yellow. Yastana Hato in white. This is a new model that first appeared in the M case. From the Fast and Furious Spy Racers TV show. Batmobile. There we go. Had to get him to sit down there. Batmobile in chrome and blue. There was a chrome version that had gold wheels, and now we have a chrome version with blue wheels. I think there was one more version of this Batmobile this year, so not very often that we get 3 versions if it's not a store exclusive. And then there's the Donut Drifter with red icing. Another 65 Ford Galaxy. I could see this being a popular model with customizers. A lot of nice space on that one. Alright, and we've got the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel in red. This is another new model. First time to see it. I drive a Dodge Ram. Mine's a little bit older, but I have a soft spot for the Dodge Rams, or I guess they're no longer called Dodge Rams, just Ram. The 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, there you go. Very nice. And another 96 Chevrolet Impala Ss. And we have the Beatles Yellow Submarine. And I believe, I thought I saw where this is the treasure hunt. Yeah, if you look, you can barely see the treasure hunt logo on the back of the card. So where, the treasure hunt logo. Do you see the treasure hunt logo on right by that, I guess that propeller on the back side of it against the card art? That's really hard to find, but that's the treasure hunt logo, the circle flame logo, and it's kind of hard to see. They put it on the wrong side, but there it is. This is the regular treasure hunt for this case, the Yellow Submarine. And speaking of treasure hunts, this is what's being used for the Super Treasure Hunt. I do not have the Super Treasure Hunt in my hand at this moment. We can only cross our fingers and hope there's one on the other side, but it's not likely. They're pretty hard to find. But the 18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon in yellow. There's a gold version, Spectra Flame Gold, which is the Super Treasure Hunt version for this case. So keep an eye out for that one. Hope you get lucky. And here we have the 84 Pontiac Firebird. This is not entirely a new casting, but it kind of is. This was featured in the M case, and they completely retooled this casting, and I think it's much, much better than the other one. Much more detail. Glad to see that one return. And the 49 Merc. And here we have a new model. This is the second color in it. It's the 91 GMC Cyclone. This time in red. This is the high performance version of the Chevy GMC S10 pickup. Whoa, and look at that. That skyboat came right out the package. Let's see if we can push that guy right back in. There you go. You're supposed to be inside there. All right, the skyboat. This time a new color, orange and black. He's trying to bust on out of there. All right, and then the McLaren P1. McLaren P1, is this the new? No, this is not the new model. I think there's another exotic car that's a new model in this case, but it's not the P1. We have seen this one. And that's very nice. I love the colors on that. Looks like it could be like a carbon fiber shell on it. Oh, nice. Check that out. We got the Hot Wheels ID Chase. The Aston Martin 177. ID Chase. That is pretty cool. That's like finding a treasure hunt or a super treasure hunt in here. You don't see these a whole lot. This is actually my first one to open out of a case. I did find one on the shelves once. Very nice. Rip Rod, to see another one of those. And a Pedal de Metal from the X-Racer series. Here's another 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35. I say another. We did see it in the last case. This is the first one this time in this case, but it's a new model for 2020 in red. All right, let's move this divider. So I didn't see a treasure hunt on that other side. We did get the regular version of the treasure hunt, but we did get an ID chase. All right, and here's a 19 Ford Ranger Raptor. And the Leinster prototype. Turbo charged in blue. New color on the high beam from the Olympic Games 2020. I was hoping by now they would have changed it to 2021 since we've known for quite a while that the 2020 Olympics are not happening, postponed until next year. And we'll say these cars have been very popular with collectors. They have been snatching those up, and they usually go for a premium, all of the Olympic series. There's a Tesla Model 3 in blue. Another really popular one from the Olympic series, Surf's Up. This is a new model. We saw it in the last case for the first time. Super popular among collectors, representing the sport of surfing in the 2020 Olympics. First time for surfing to be sanctioned in the Olympics. And then we have the Speed Driver in yellow. And the McLaren Senna, this time in white. Okay, and I knew there was a McLaren new model, and this one's it. The McLaren Speedtail. This is the new model, the other one I was looking for. It's got two different sets of wheels on the front and the back. They're not the same. You see that Speedtail. Very interesting looking car. Long and lean. Looks very aerodynamic. From the Exotic series. And another Speed Driver. The Turbo Rooster from the Street Beast series. And a new color on the Duck and Roll, this time in lime green. Lime green with orange and purple wheels. Another Turbo Rooster. And the custom Ford Maverick from the Hot Wheels Flame series. Alright, this is another popular model with collectors. It's the Dachshund Bluebird Wagon 510. This time in black. With yellow and red racing stripes. Those JDM models really popular. There's a Leinster. And another 73 Ford Falcon. Here's the 19 Corvette Zr1 Convertible, this time in blue. The black interior. It's a really pretty blue on that too. There's the Sandblaster. Sandblaster in black. Oh wow, check out that. Check out the 67 Camaro. What a beautiful color on that. metal flake brown from the Flame series with the orange and yellow flames going down the side. That's a really nice piece right there. And they only put one in the case, I think. Very nice. Here's another Surf and Turf. And the Mod Rod in black. There's the Moto Wing. Another Roger Dodger. Hot Wheels 4 Transit Connect in orange. We saw that one in the last case. And another Donut Drifter. There's a Slide Kick in purple. Purple tint. Another one we saw in the last case. And the Skull Shaker. New color on the Skull Shaker. This is blue with an orange guy in there. Skull Shaker is a really popular model among collectors. Turbo and charged. Another McLaren Speedtail. The lines on that car are pretty cool. And another Koenigsegg Xesv. Here's a Batmobile. And we get another 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. I'm glad we're getting some doubles of some of these. That's very cool. I was wondering if we were only going to have one. Some of those popular new models. There's a Hudson Hornet. And custom Ford Maverick. And finally, another 84 Pontiac Firebird. Alright, let's check out the highlights from this case. This was an awesome case. I really enjoyed this one. We've got some new models here. So we'll start with my favorite truck, the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. I say my favorite truck is the Dodge Ram, because that's what I've been driving for a few years now. And then the 2020 Koenigsegg Xesv from the Exotic series. Also from the Exotic series is the McLaren Speedtail. Another new model in this case was the 96 Chevy Impala Ss. Not a new model, but a really sweet casting making a reappearance here was a 67 Camaro in brown. Almost a copper color there. Very nice colors on that. Kind of a 70s throwback look. Looks like something that would have, somebody took a 67 Camaro and in the mid 70s redid it. And Chase Find. This is the Aston Martin 177 from the Hot Wheels ID Chase series. Very cool, very cool. And I'll be doing a giveaway. So, for the giveaway, you need to do 3 things. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you comment on this video. And finally, make sure you're subscribed. And for the giveaway, I'm giving away the Astana Hotto and the 84 Pontiac Firebird. 2 of the hottest items that just came out of the M case. So the previous case. This is a new model, and this is a complete retool here of the 84 Pontiac Firebird. So make sure you're entered for that. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next video. And as always, thanks for watching.